KMRSounds.
Oh geez, call the ambulance please. Another man